Kung naghahanap ka ng murang bahay sa Cavite, huwag kang mag-scroll. Ito na ang Bank Foreclose and lot na bihirang lumabas sa market. Located sa Ville de Palm, General Trias. And lot, mas malaki ang space at mas presko. No bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is. Limited lang ang unit kaya unahan talaga ito. Property details, lot area 80 square meter. Floor area 44 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 to 4 car garage. Maluwag dahil end lot. Selling price, 2,060,000 only. Payment terms, in-house loan, 30% down payment, 70% in-house loan. Hindi bank loan, mas madali ang approval. Sample computation, 30% down payment equals 618,000. 70% in-house loan, 1,442,000. Sample term, 5 years, estimated monthly 28,000 to 30,000 per month. Required income, estimate single income at least 75,000 to 85,000 per month. Pwede ring combined income, mag-asawa or family. Important reminder, bank fees at transfer of title not included. Mode of payment, PDC or manager's check. Cash or in-house loan only. Free house tour assistance. Pwede kayo mag-site viewing para makita mismo ang unit. Message us now bago ma-reserve ng iba. Ito si Jean Puig. Salamat sa panonood at see you sa next video. Bye!